Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn off the screen passcode on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. Now first, let's go to your home screen and then swipe up to go back to your home screen. Next, we want to go to settings, so tap on the settings icon. Then we want to go down and tap on Face ID and passcode. In here, we need to put in the passcode to gain access to this section. Once you are in here, go down and tap on Turn Passcode Off and then tap on Turn Off. Now we need to ask you to put in the Apple ID. You can simply just cancel it. And let me see, so turn off. Okay, so we need to put in the Apple ID, and I'm going to do that now. Okay, once you have put in your Apple ID, you just tap on the turn off button. So put in the Apple ID password, and then that will allow you to turn off the passcode. So say here, turn off passcode, enter your passcode. And so now it is turned off. You can see here, if I try to access my screen, I don't need to put in the passcode. So again, we can always go back in here later on to turn it back on. And yeah, so that's how you can put in the passcode again if you need to. Just go back into the same settings location to turn on the passcode. And that's it. That's how you can turn it off on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.